Good morning, sunshines. Actually, let's do it again. Good morning. Well, today is Mr. Jackson's birthday. Today is Jackson's birthday. So, excuse the face. Excuse the whole face. Excuse everything that's going on. Whoops.
Oh, I thought Jackson was awake.
No, he's not. We're about to go wake up Jackson because guess what? My baby is 4 years old today. Four. I kept telling him, I was like, please don't grow up on me. Just please don't grow up on me. I can't handle it. I can't. That's my baby. That's my sunshine, man. So let's go wake him up.
Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Happy birthday to you. Can you please get up? Why? So I can kiss your face. Can you please wake up? Happy birthday to you. Jill? Jack? Jackie Jack Jack? Jackie Jack Jack? DNA? Little man? Little snookums? My puddin' pom pom? What you brought up? It's your birthday! Wakey! Good morning, birthday boy! Good morning! I know! Oh, my baby's 4 today! Come here, Puddin'! Come here! We went out last night, so he fell asleep in his clothes. It's your birthday! Yes! Let me see that birthday face! Oh, are you gonna be excited? Yes? Oh my! Look how big the birthday boy is! Oh! Let's see. Oh, someone's gotten bigger.
So, I am... Oh, excuse my face, guys. I am not in the mood to go put on no makeup. What are they doing? Guys! What are you doing? I can see you.
Can't see me back here.
Really, Jordan? Really? Can you please do your chores, please, so you guys can get dressed and get out of my house? So, I have to go to, I have an appointment. I have my therapy appointment at 11. I have to go to the grocery store. And then I might take Jackson. It's cold though. It's really, really cold. And I have the baby. I'm watching this little baby. He's so cute. Oh, he's so stinking cute. And I don't want to be outside with him for too long because it's cold. So I don't know about the Chuck E. Cheese thing, but I do have to go to the grocery store to get some stuff for dinner because my in-laws are coming over because they come over for every birthday. They're here no matter whether it's snowing, raining, thunderstorm, a blizzard, no matter what it is, they are here. Always here. Like, that's the only thing I love about my in-laws. Like, no matter what it is that's going on with my children, especially my mother-in-law, she's always here on point. Like, even if no one shows call for my please, no one from my family calls, show up, nothing, please. But my mother-in-law, and she's coming with cake, ice cream, everything, and presents. Stop. And the whole living room. The who? The whole living room. Okay, thank you. And the I don't even think my mother knows it's his birthday. That's the truth. I don't think she knows. Oh, can I get dressed? She's never gotten them anything for their birthday. Nothing. We live in the United States where you can go to a dollar store and get a kid a toy for $1. My mother? Please. That was like, what happened to the black grandma? I don't know. Hi, boys. Hi. Why are you not, did you do the chores that I told you that you need to do before you get dressed? Mm-hmm. You did? So if I come out there, everything on the floor is going to be cleaned up. Okay, I'm coming out there right now. So, sorry if I'm shaking. I'm rocking the baby. He's a bit fussy because he wants his bottle. And he can't wait. Because I have to defrost his milk. Because this is mommy's tummy milk. Tummy milk. What? It's his mother's breast milk. So I have to defrost it because it's in the freezer. So he can't wait. He cannot wait for his food. He's like, I want my food now. So he's fussy. And no matter. So anyways, I'm using this new foundation and I like it. I like it. I like the way it makes my my face look. I think its milk is done. So today's Jackson's birthday and I decided that it's your birthday. I decided that instead of cooking for his birthday, I'm gonna take him to Old Country Buffet because he likes the gummy bears and stuff that is there, the little treat, like the ice cream, the gummy bear, and all that. And it's fairly inexpensive too, because as you guys know, we're trying to save for a home. So I won't be able to do like a birthday party for him. I've never done a birthday party for him. 1, it's too cold, and 2, he's 4. He don't even know what a birthday party is or why. So all I did was I took him to Toys R Us and had him picked out his favorite toy, and I got 4 party little bags that I'm gonna give to him later. But I gotta go. The baby's fussy. Gio.
It's good.
Gio, come here. I don't want a video. Okay, stay right there then. Don't move.
If you're seeing
Gio.
If you're seeing this as an ice cream.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
No, you say thank you.
If you make a prank call to 911, terrible call.
Thank you. So we're at Old Country Buffet. Ooh. I made myself an ice cream sandwich, but it's not turning out too well because this is why I wonder why I'm fat. Because I eat crap. That's why I'm fat. Because I eat crap.
No, you're not. You're not fat.
So we're gonna go back to Grandma's house and eat ice cream. No, he's not gonna eat ice cream. He's gonna have cake. There's no ice cream. It's just cake. We're just gonna sing happy birthday to him. Why are you in my video? Why are you in my video? And he has to see Grandpa. He hasn't seen Grandpa. Have you seen Grandpa? No? No? One more person he has to see before his birthday ends. And it's over. So, Jordan, you want to say hi?
Hi.
What are you doing? Of course, Destiny's always.
I'm eating vanilla with a chocolate.
We're eating some delicious dessert.
Oh my gosh!
What are you doing?
This is Jordan's dessert. Let's show everyone your dessert.
Did it with sprinkles and those chocolate.
I don't know what that is. What is that?
You
What
don't
is
know
it?
because I did it.
Oh, sprinkles with chocolate bits.
And some nuts in it.
No, no nuts. Stop it.
Mommy, make them see mine.
Stop it.
Make them see mine.
Babe, did you hear your daughter?
Let them see my stand,
Honey.
Mommy.
Did you hear your daughter? She said I'm eating ice cream with some nuts in it. Let me stop it. My poor child don't even know what I'm talking about. Enjoy your nuts, honey.
Wait for me. Disgusting. Wait for me.
What are we talking about?
Look at mine's. Emma, this is a good chocolate.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa.
You're welcome, baby.
It's a pair of boots. Ooh, do you like them? Yes? Awesome. You're all set. Okay. Then there's something else. There's something else. Grandma got you something.
I like know what it is.
You do.
Right?
There you go. Say thank you.
It's a tintulet.
He's so smart.
That's the breathing one.
Let me see. Show me, buddy. Ooh. Let's see. Yep, it's the dragon defender of DreamWorks.
It's the tintulet.
Yes. So now you have your own. And you don't have to fight with your brother. Let's go say thank you to Grandma.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hi.
Like it? Grandma.
How can it be done? You're welcome, baby.
Mm-hmm. Bye, Mom.
Tell Grandpa thank you.
Oh, you wet, Mom? You wet?
Jaxson and me have the same thing?
Happy birthday, dear Jaxson. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow it out, Papa. Blow it out. Good job. Two more. Two more, Papa. Harder. I just want to keep continuing to grow and work at my mind. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. But it's not bad either.